I ended up losing my grandmother in 2020, and that really just sparked another light in me to go forward with my nursing career. My mom always says to me how she didn't feel supported, and I feel like nursing is way more than giving meds or rehab, like doing a rehab or anything like that. It's actually caring for the individual and actually getting to their level and building a patient-nurse relationship. I do want to be that nurse that listens. There's a lot of people or a lot of mothers who feel unheard in the labor and delivery or women's services. So that's my goal, to really listen to the patient and let them tell me what to do. It was a huge move moving from Houston to Dallas for school, especially because I wasn't really successful in my other school. I came from somewhere very low. I came from a place where I was basically academically suspended. And now I was getting A's, and I had a high GPA on the dean's list, and my professors are a big reason for that. There's a lot of moments that you might feel like you can't do it, but to see that I'm here now is like unbelievable.